Hello dear students, in the previous class we learnt the basic concepts of probability and we also learned some important terms and their definitions. Today we are going to learn or we are going to work out exercise 5.3. So the first question is, list the outcomes you can see in these experiments. Some experiments are given. The first experiment is spinning a wheel. The wheel's picture is given here. You know what is a spinning wheel? A spinning wheel is a wheel in which different sectors will be made and then there will be a pointer. The spinning wheel will be rotated or spun wherever the pointer, when it stops, wherever the pointer comes, that will be the point that we have to consider. Okay, so here usually this type of wheels can be seen in the fairs. Okay, in the game zone they keep such type of wheels. Now here when we keep, what are the outcomes that you can get? Here there is an A, D, C, B, that is A, B, C, D. So repeatedly 2 times A, so you can write it once. So the outcomes are A, B, C, D. That means you don't have to repeat. If same outcome is repeated, you have to write only once. The second question in that is tossing 2 coins together. The coins are tossed together, means together you toss 2 coins. So what are the chances of getting the outcomes? What are the outcomes that you can get? Either you will get both of them head or both of them tail, or the first one will be tail and the second coin will show head. The other chance is the first one will show head and the second one will show tail. So what are the outcomes? Head head, tail tail, tail head or head tail. So these are the outcomes. Now let us see the question number 2. Question number 2 is, when a die is thrown, list the outcome of an event of getting. Then they have given you different options. Now before we write these answers, we should know what are the outcomes that you can have when you throw a die. You know what is a die? When you play snake and ladder and all, we use that cube in which all faces will have one number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, they write numbers from 1 to 6. Okay. So which are the outcomes, total outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the possible outcomes. Out of this, the question is, what are the, list the outcome of an event of getting a prime number. What is the outcome of getting a prime number? So which are the prime numbers in that group? 2, 3 and 5. The next question is, what is the outcome or list the outcome when the number is not a prime number. If 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers, so 1, 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. So what is the answer? Not a prime number, 1, 4 and 6. In the next part, B part, the question is a number greater than 5. Out of the 6, which is greater than 5? 6. Then the next question is a number not greater than 5. The number not greater than 5. That means which is not 6. Okay, 6 or above that. Not greater than means it can be equal to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the numbers not greater than 5. Now let us see the next question. The next question is, find the probability of the pointer stopping at D in the first question, that is here. The pointer is stopping here. So what is the probability? Total how many options are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outcomes are A, B, C, D only. This outcome will be repeated. So total, what is the probability when you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Out of 5, what is our favorable outcome? Is pointing at T. So it is 1 out of 5. The next question is the probability of getting an ace from a deck of cards. I think most of you are familiar with cards. Okay, you play the playing cards. How many cards will be there in a deck? There will be in a pack of cards. How many cards will be there? There will be 52 cards. And you know that there will be 13 cards of each type. There are two sets of black colored cards and two sets of red colors. Which are the two? In black color you can see spade and clubs, and in red color diamond and heart. And in every set of cards, when you take 52 cards, I told you 4 types of cards will be there. Each type there will be 13 cards, and these 13 cards are A's. A's means A. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have king, queen and jack. Okay. So total 13 cards. So I told you there will be 4 types of cards. Which are the 4 types? Diamond, hearts, clubs and spade. In all these 4 types there will be one ace. Okay, every card will be 4. That is, there will be 4 twos, 4 threes, 4 fives, like that. There will be 4 jacks, 4 kings and 4 queens, like that. Every card will be 4 in number. Okay, so the probability of getting an ace from a deck of 52 card is 4 aces are there total. So it is 4 out of 52. That is, when you do cancellation, we get 1 out of 13. How do you get 1 out of 13? You see, it is 4 out of 52. So 2 2s are 4, 2 26 are 52. So 1 1 2 get cancelled. Again 2 1s are 2 and 2 13s are 26. Again 2 gets cancelled. So we get 1 out of 13. 1 upon 13 is the probability of getting an ace from a deck of how many cards? 52 cards. Now the next question is, there is a picture again. In that picture, how many apples are there? 7 apples are there. Green, red, 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 green, red, green. Okay, the question is, what is the probability of getting a red apple? Total there are 7 apples, so the denominator will be 7. And then how many red apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of getting a red apple is 4 out of 7. The next question is, numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. We play games like this, you know. We make small chits and we put numbers or anything you can write. We used to play like that game. So in the similar way you make 10 slips, and on each slip they have written one number from 1 to 10. So which are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they have kept it in a box. One by one you are asked to choose or select one slip from the box. Now we have to find out what is the probability of getting a number 6. How many 6s are there in this? The probability of getting a 6 is, how many 6? We have total we have 10 numbers, and from that one can be 6. Now a probability of getting a number less than 6. This is 6. Less than 6, how many numbers? 5 numbers are there. So it is 5 out of 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now it is compulsory, children, whenever you write the probability, you need to reduce them into the lowest term whenever it is possible. Now the next question is the probability of getting a number greater than 6. Greater than 6 means this number not to include. How many numbers are there? It is 4 numbers. Which are the 4 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 upon 10. That is 2 upon 5. The next question is probability of getting a 1-digit number. How many 1-digit numbers are here? You see, here 10 is a 2-digit number. Remaining all are 1 digit. So how many are there? 9 1-digit numbers are there. So 9 upon 10. Can we reduce it again? 9 upon 10, can you reduce? No, because there is no common factor for them. So the probability of getting a 1-digit number is 9 upon 10. Now the next question is, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, just now we may saw the spinning wheel. In that, if you have 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. So total how many sectors will be there? 5 sectors are there. What is the probability of getting a green sector? How many are there green? 3. So 3 out of total 5. So the probability of getting a green out in this from this group is, or from these sectors is 3 upon 5. Here no cancellation possible. And non-blue color. How many blue color are there? 1 is a blue. So how many are non-blue? Non-blue colors, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 upon 5. What is the probability of getting a non-blue color? The probability of getting a blue color is 1 upon 5, and that of a non-blue color is 4 upon 5. Now the next question is, find the probabilities of the events given in question number 2. What was given in question number 2? A die was thrown up, and then you have to write what are the possible outcomes, and then you have to find out the given questions. That is, the first question is probability of a prime number. So here how many are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. That is 3 out of 6. So what is 3 out of 6? 1 out of 2. So the probability of means every time you take 2 numbers, from that one will be a prime number. That is the probability. Similarly, P not a prime number. How many numbers are not prime? Total 6 numbers, 3 are prime. So naturally 3 are not prime. So that is also 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2. P, a number greater than 5. Which number is greater than 5 here? It is only 6. So 1 number out of 6. P, a number not greater than 5. Not greater than 5, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 upon 6. So with this question, this exercise gets over, and this is the last exercise in this this chapter. So in the next class we will come with a new lesson or a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, square and square root. That's all for today. Thank you.